Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoyed my videos. If you want to see more videos on how to make delicious recipes with my version of this, please be sure to subscribe my channel. So today I am going to show you how to make yummy delicious cranberry chocolate cake. So let's start with me.
First, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and sift them together in a medium bowl. Now mix half a cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of milk powder with these dry ingredients. Add half cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix together into a smooth, thick batter. Now line the cake pan with baking paper, grease it with butter and dust it with flour. Transfer the cake batter to the prepared pan and release the air bubbles by tapping and leveling it. Now preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and bake the cake for 40 minutes. Pull it completely and slice it into 3 layers. For the chocolate decoration, place 200 gram finely chopped white chocolate into a bowl. Set the bowl over another small bowl of shimmering water. Melt the chocolate using double boiling method. Spread it on a parchment paper or baking paper. Now add 2 to 3 drops of pink color into the white chocolate. And spread it. Do the same step with red color also. After cooling down for 10 minutes, cut it into heart shape using cookie cutter. Finally, fix the sticks onto the chocolates. For the cranberry crush, add half a cup of cranberries, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Cook over medium heat until cranberries mixture is thick. Blend it into a paste and your cranberry crush is ready. Now for buttercream frosting, in a large bowl, Use an electric hand mixture to beat 400 grams of butter on medium speed until smooth. Turn the mixture to low and gradually add 2.5 cups of powdered sugar. Finally, the buttercream is ready. Now for dark chocolate ganache, melt 1 cup or 200 gram of dark chocolate using double boiling method and mix 1 cup of cream together. Chocolate to cream ratio should be 1:1. To assemble the cake, place first layer on the board. Soak it with sugar syrup. And frost with buttercream. Spread cranberry crush on cake layer. And then spread grated white chocolate. Repeat the same process for the second layer also. Roast top and sides with buttercream. Chill it in refrigerator to form the buttercream. Now cover the cake with chocolate ganache. Cover the half portion of the cake by white chocolate ganache. Here, for making the white chocolate ganache, we use 1 cup or 200 gram of white chocolate and 1/3 cup of cream together. The chocolate to cream ratio should always be 3:1 for white chocolate ganache. Finally, decorate it with the chocolate hearts. So your chocolate cranberry cake is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you.